How to hide your phone number on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in the menu, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Head over to Settings. Once again scroll down and in the section of Audience and Visibility, head over to Profile Details. You will get to see all of your information, including your phone number. If you want to hide it, then all you want to do is click on it. One interface will appear where it will say who can see this information. If the setting is set to public, then all you want to do is you have to set it to only me. Once you have set it to only me, the phone number will be hidden to the public. So after that, you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.